Hello everyone, I am Janet. Today we are going to see a problem related to train and speed. Okay, so let's see. A train traveling at a uniform speed for 360 km would have taken 48 minutes less to travel the same distance. If its speed were 5 km per hour more, find the original speed of the train. So here what is given? A train traveling at a uniform speed. So here what's the distance? Distance is 360 km, isn't it? Then next, this taken 48 minutes less to travel the same distance if its speed were 5 km per hour more. Okay, so now we can write, let the original speed of the train, of a train, be x. Okay, let the original speed of the train be x. Okay, then what's the formula for time? Time is equal to distance by speed, isn't it? Time is equal to distance by speed. Okay. Okay. Now here what's the distance? 360 km. Distance is same but speeds are different. Okay, so first x is a speed, then next, see here 5 km per hour more, that is x plus 5 is a speed. Okay, so what's the time difference? What's the time difference? Time difference is 48 minutes because this train taken 48 minutes less to travel the same distance, isn't it? Therefore time difference is equal to 48 minutes. So time difference is equal to 48 minutes. Okay, so time difference, that is distance by speed, what's 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5. Okay, so here if its speed were 5 km per hour more, therefore 360 divided by x plus 5, that is equal to 48 minutes. 48 minutes. Okay, the next, here we can write increased speed. Increased speed is equal to x plus 5 km per hour. Here x km per hour. Okay, so increased speed is x plus 5 km per hour. Therefore, the time difference is 48 minutes, that is 360 by x minus 360 divided by x plus 5 is equal to 48 minutes. Okay, so we convert this minute into hour. So what we get? 48 divided by 60. 48 divided by 60, cancel by 12 table, 4, here 5, 4 by 5 hour. Okay, 4 by 5 hour. So 360 divided by x minus 360 divided by x plus 5 is equal to 4 by 5. Okay, then we solve this equation. So take the LCM x into x plus 5. What's the numerator? 360 into x plus 5 minus 360x, isn't it? Cross multiply this, 360 into x plus 5 minus 360 into x, that is equal to 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Then what's the numerator? 360x plus 360 into 5. 1800 minus 360x divided by x into x plus 5. x into x plus 5, that is equal to 4 by 5. Okay, 360x minus 360x get cancelled. So 1800 divided by, multiply this x square plus 5x, that is equal to 4 by 5. Then cross multiply this. 1800 into 5 is equal to 4 into x square plus 5x. Okay, what is 1800 into 5? 9000, that is equal to x 4 into x square plus 5x. Okay, so what is x square plus 5x is equal to 9000 divided by 4, isn't it? X square plus 5x is 9000 divided by 4. So cancel this by 4 table. 1, 2 4s are 8, then 10, 2 4s are 8, 20, 5 4s are 20, 0, 2250. So our equation is x square plus 5x is equal to 2250. Okay, we take this here. So x square plus 5x minus 2250 is equal to 0. Okay, this is our equation. Then we solve this equation using formula method or factorization method. So here we can use factorization method. Okay, so how to find? Let us take two numbers. If we multiply that numbers, we get 2250. If we add this, we get 5. So what are the numbers? So add these. 50 minus 45 is 5. Okay, so then here minus 2220. Okay, then we multiply this. What we get? 5 into 0, 0. So 5 into 5, 5. Then 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. So we get minus 2250. X plus 50 is equal to 0. Then what is x? X is minus 50. Here let the original speed of a train be x. Therefore x is speed. Okay, speed cannot be negative. So we neglect this one. Next one, x minus 45 is equal to 0. X minus 45 is equal to 0. That implies what is x? X equal to 45. Okay, here positive value. What's the value of x? X equal to 45. Therefore, original speed of the train is equal to 45 km per hour. Okay, this is the answer. If you like this video, give thumbs up and share your friends. Subscribe SJR Simple Maths channel. Thank you. Bye.